client, that is George Koimburi, the candidate of Tanga Tanga in Juja. He is being charged with an offense purportedly that occurred in the year 1994. So he is being arrested after 17 years since...
20,
yeah, how many?
27 years.
27 years. He is said to have committed this offense in the year 1994. So he is being arrested after 27 years after the purported date of commission of this offense. He was not arrested in the first decade in the year 2004. He was not arrested in the second decade in the year 2014. They are now arresting him almost the third decade after purportedly committing this offense. To me, this case is clearly political. We shall fight, and the people of Juja should not be intimidated. Koimburi will be on the ballot, and he will continue supporting His Excellency William Ruto because that is his personal choice. His wife is also being threatened with an arrest, and all these allegations have arisen after he decided to vie on a Tanga Tanga supported party as opposed to going the Jubilee party. We want to tell Jubilee that Kenya is a multi-party democracy. Kenya believes in freedom, in liberty. They will not use intimidation to go and threaten people who are supporting Tanga Tanga faction of politics in this region. He was cleared in 2017 using the same documents, and also the fact is the case will be heard, I'm sure, in October after we have this election, so it will not impact on his suitability as a candidate.